Let's make a Revit window family with parameters. Step 1. Select a metric window template from the Family tab.
Here we can see, height and width parameters are set by default. Step 2. Go to Exterior Elevation to add details and parameters as required. Step 3. Add reference plan. Step 4. Select dimensions and click on Parameter Properties to add parameters. Step 5. Go to Family Type to check recently added parameters. Step 6. Go to Create tab and select Extrusion to add details and massing for window frame. Go to 3D tab to adjust frame depth. Step 7. Add glass details. Go to Create tab, set a plane, click on Pick a plane, select Frame. Then go to Extrusion and draw a rectangle. Adjust depth in 3D. Go to Family Type and check Parameters. Step 8. Add material parameters. Select Window Frame and click on Material and Finishes. Click on Add Parameters. Repeat for glass. Go to Family Type to check all parameters. Now load Family into the project. Step 9. Now we can add materials and change length or heights as per requirement. Go to Edit Type and add materials for glass and frame. Looks good. All parameters can be modified, including length, height, and materials. Thanks for watching.